Well, good morning everyone, it's Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. Well, I've been doing a video this morning on how to, the next stage in me potting up my tomatoes and care, and that kind of led into this little video really. So what I've already done on the main plants is I've taken off the side shoots, and then, well, what do you do with those side shoots? You could grow some more plants. So let me turn the camera around and show you what I'm on about. Right, that's what we're on about. All these little side shoots here. So they have come off this plant as we've been potting it, and the side shoots, or internodal shoots, come from between these leaf joints here. And you'll see, let me show you. Yeah, here's a plant that hasn't been done yet. So you can see they're all sprouting on above each leaf joint, and that's the ones that we've just picked out. So as always, we can propagate them in two different ways. If I can find my knife. There we are, sitting on it. So literally take your knife, cut it just below your leaf joint, rip that leaf joint off. That's your cutting prepped, and we can just get a little bit of compost. Like so. Small hole, small hole. Drop your cuttings in. No need for rooting compound. And firm in, and then we just need to water, so that's one way. Same again. Cut below leaf joint, rip your bottom leaf off. Pop it in some water. So two different ways to propagate your tomatoes to get you some more plants. Job done. Well, welcome back everyone. So it's night time. Doesn't time fly? And we're on the 16th of June, so 10 days later from when I started this video. And to be honest, quite frankly, I could have come back to you guys a couple of days ago, but I didn't. I thought I'd wait for proper, obvious signs. So, as you remember, as it's only been literally like 30 seconds ago on your video, did some tomato cuttings, which essentially were derived from the side shoots from when I was taking out side shoots on my main tomato plants. So what I did, some cuttings which went into water, or a cutting, which, as you can see, big amount of roots all the way up stem, looking superb. So that's one. And those are straight into compost. I'd let them dry out a little bit, so I've given them a slight water before turning the camera on. But yeah, again, you can see plenty of root formation there, so we could quite comfortably split those and would have some more plants. So it's that simple. How to grow more tomato plants from the tomato plants that you've got. Certainly save a lot of time instead of seed sowing. Just take your side shoots out and re-root them either in compost or water. Two ways. Job done. Obviously, well, not obviously, but if you're trying to grow from seed, unless you actually buy the seed from a certified seed producer, you're not necessarily guaranteed that you're going to get the same fruit type to come from your own seed, because it will possibly be cross-pollinated from another plant or from another tomato. So anyway, doing your cuttings, it's the only surefire way of making sure your genetic material stays the same. So yeah, you can obviously do your cuttings, know that each and every time you're getting the same plant that you like and want to grow. So job done. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked what you've seen. Yeah, keep subscribing to the channel. If you do like what I'm doing, don't forget to hit that reminder button so you don't miss out on future videos. And yeah, most of all, have fun in your garden. And oh yeah, if you've got any questions, ping them over to me and I will get back to you with some answers, or at least a bit of advice to help you. So till the next time, see you soon. Bye bye.